Today, we talk about this, and this, and this. Today, we talk about props. Hello and welcome to the party here at Paradox Bully Games. Today, we're talking about using props in TTRPGs, because apparently describing things with words like some kind of medieval audiobook isn't immersive enough for us anymore. We need objects. We need things.
Love fades away, but things are forever.
We need emotional manipulation through craft supplies. Here's what happens when you slowly hand over a crumpled, burned, wax-sealed scroll across the table. Finds this scroll.
Whoa.
Very scrolly.
Very scrolly. This is like a knot.
It's a slip knot.
Scrolly scroll with a knot.
Let's see.
How proppy is this prop?
How proppy is the prop?
It's
it's pretty proppy.
Props make the imaginary feel real. They force players to engage physically. And when they touch something, their brain says, "Oh, this matters." Let's be clear. You don't need a 3D printer, and you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on Etsy. Just a little bit of paper to print things can go a long way. Or even just painting some rocks is a good trick. Buying or making props can be a great way to really emphasize a particular part of your session. Or just using random stuff from around the house could inspire an entire encounter. Take this key, for example. In real life, it's just a piece of decor, but in the game, it could unlock a chest filled with long-lost treasure, or open a crypt to a powerful necromancer. At the table, this random old key just opened new possibilities. Find anything around the house, and just think about what it could bring to your table. Is it magical? Is it cursed? Can't think of anything? Just set it on the table, and let your players help fuel the imagination. Environmental props can be great too. Controlling the lights to change the mood, or using candles to dramatically alter the tone. But hold on, not every session needs a physical item, and not every plot beat needs to be tangible. You're running a game session, not hosting a medieval escape room, although that does sound cool and I will be looking into that. Props are seasoning, not the whole meal.
Okay, and you just bam, like that.
If everything is dramatic, then nothing is dramatic. Use them for big reveals, emotional moments, major plot hooks, betrayals, and even death scenes. And he takes out the scroll, the map that you, or whatever it is that he's been looking at this entire time, and he starts to hand it towards you, and he says, "Find what I could not." And then he hands it to you on his final dying breath. So here's your challenge. Before your next session, walk around the house, grab the weirdest object you can find, and bring it to the table. And build an entire encounter around that item. Don't tell your players what it is. Let them panic first. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and leave us a like. And if you want to see more content just like this, consider subscribing. And in the comments, let me know, what random household object are you going to turn into a cursed artifact? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.